In this episode, we will show you how to extend the charging station with a Sileno garage and how to clean your robotic mower. This garage is mounted directly onto the charging station and protects the mower from rain, UV radiation, leaves, and dirt. The Smart Sileno Free, as well as the Smart Sileno Pro and Max, are inherently weatherproof, which makes cleaning particularly easy. You can simply hose it down thoroughly from all sides. It can withstand this without any problems. By the way, the mower does not need a special rain sensor to know when it should not operate in the rain. It can work in almost any weather. For more practical accessories and further information, simply visit Gardena. Back to the garage. First, remove the top cover of the charging station and loosen the ground screws if you have already tightened them. Attach the supplied base piece to the back of the base plate and anchor the entire plate securely to the ground using the ground screws. Then, push the two upper parts of the garage together and secure them with the matching pins. Finally, place this part back on top of the charging station, and your Sileno garage is ready for use. It is weatherproof and stable, but be careful not to put any weight on the garage.